Your question is on the recommendation of which commission or committee the Interstate Council was set up in India. Your options are A. Poonche Commission, B. Rajbannar Committee, C. Kothari Committee, or D. Sarkaria Commission. Right answer is D. Sarkaria Commission. Your question is which one of the following is not a feature of a zonal council? Your options are A. It is a constitutional body, B. Five zonal councils have set up under the State Reorganization Act 1956, C. Chandigarh, although not a state, is included in zonal council, or D. It is an advisory body. Right answer is A. It is a constitutional body. Your question is which of the following is not matched properly? Your options are A. Union Parliament's power of adjudication in interstate water dispute, Article 262 of the Constitution, B. Interstate Water Dispute Act 1956, C. River Boards Act 1970, or D. National Water Policy 1987. Right answer is C. River Boards Act 1970. Your question is the regional councils are constituted by. Your options are A. Constitution, B. Parliamentary laws, C. Resolution of government, or D. National Development Council. Right answer is B. Parliamentary laws. Your question is who among the following is empowered to establish the Interstate Council? Your options are A. Parliament, B. President, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D. Prime Minister. Right answer is B. President. Your question is an interstate council may be established by. Your options are A. The Parliament, B. The President, C. The National Development Council, or D. The Zonal Council. Right answer is B. The President. Your question is which of the constitutional provision lays down that taxes are neither be levied nor collected without the authority of law? Your options are A. Article 265, B. Article 266, C. Article 300, or D. Article 368. Right answer is A. Article 265. Your question is Sarkaria Commission was set up to review. Your options are A. The relations between the President and the Prime Minister, B. The relations between the legislature and the executive, C. The relations between the executive and the judiciary, or D. The relations between the union and the states. Right answer is D. The relations between the union and the states. Your question is in which one of the following years was Sarkaria Commission, which was empowered to recommend changes in center-state relations, submitted its report? Your options are A. 1983, B. 1984, C. 1985, D. 1987, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is the Sarkaria Commission was set up for the review of relation between. Your options are A. The Prime Minister and President, B. The Legislative and the Executive, C. The Centre and the States, or D. The Executive and the Judiciary. Right answer is C. The Centre and the States.